Hey, what's up everyone? This is the Watch This video for Friday, August 23rd. I'm showing you the SPY. Again, you can't really tell here, but it was an extremely choppy session. Most of the charts I was watching would break out of a range a little bit and then go right back into the range. And then they break down out of the range and right back into the range. I mean, nobody was winning on these intraday charts for the most part. And it's, it's kind of typical August trading. So I'm going to keep it short and sweet tonight and just go right into my list for tomorrow, all right, what we're watching for tomorrow. So OPTT, we're going to check in the morning and see if it's still gapping, but a potential gap play tomorrow. It's trading at right around $2 right now in after hours. So I zoom in a little bit. You can see it's trading all the way up here. They had a headline in after hours. So we'll see. It's obviously a pretty ugly daily chart, but we'll see how that one acts in the morning if it becomes a gap play. JWN. Really nice volume, beaten up stock. I think they came out with earnings and a nice bounce off these recent lows. So that one might have a follow-through day. If you didn't see my video I posted on Twitter, I started posting those videos, just showing you real quick for those of you that weren't in chat. This is a very sweet setup. It opens at the whole number 29. It goes up a little higher than that, so 29.14 is the early high of day, sells off and comes right back up. If you haven't seen our video, it's on our trading course page. Hang on a second here. There, I slid the home page up. So greatstockpicks.com, greatstockpicks with an X, and come over here and click on trading course. And just down the page a little bit, right there is a video. 37 minutes taken spliced straight out of our trading course. Shows you one of the ways we play morning gap plays, all right? And so if you watch that video, you'll understand fully Wayne's call here. So opens at 29, goes up a little bit, comes back down. So you had, on this next candle as it comes up, you have the red to green, you have a whole number inflection point. There's two things. You have the high of day above as another potential catalyst. There's three things. And also the push through 29. See, it broke 29 early, came back down. So the push through 29, also second mouse. So you had like 4 reasons to buy this at back through 29. And there's the trigger. That was Wayne's idea. Called ahead of time, as we always do. And these are just, again, 1 minute candles. So I don't know, in about 6 or 7 minutes, up over 80 cents. That's a great way to start the day and a great call. Anyway, back to the daily. This is back on watch for tomorrow. We'll see if it gives some kind of setup again. ZAGG, ZAG. Just put in a quiet inside day after yesterday's big move. So we'll see. NETE, insane move today. And a great call in our chat room by one of our members, JS, for those of you that weren't there, missed this initial pop. We had it on the gap playlist, but it was very low volume when this happened. And so then it halted, which caught everybody's attention. Then it had massive volume, came back down, and then was chopping. And then right here on this candle went up to 450 right there, and back down a little bit. JS in chat said, I like this back through 450. And look what happens when it breaks through 450 again. All the way up, without really looking back, all the way to 575. So that was a great, great call. Back to the daily. We got to watch this one tomorrow. It's massive volumes. Probably going to be pretty crowded, but you might get a quiet red to green and another pop. So we'll see, right? CETX. Now, I don't love this one because there's a lot of bag holders, because on this day, it traded almost 40 million shares. Popped up, closed at its lows, then gaps down in another ugly day. But now you've got a significant, it closed right here at 223. You've got a significant chunk of traders that are not underwater anymore that, and you could argue maybe some late shorts to the game. So this one is worth watching, even though you still have a lot of bag holders from this topping tail here. I do think it is worth watching tomorrow for a low-risk setup. So that one goes on watch. NVAX, I've been watching for a few days after this big pop. Just kind of chopping sideways here. So we're going to keep that one on watch again. Overstock, it's kind of amusing, was halted for news, and then the news comes out that the CEO is resigning. And my gut says, oh, there's something nefarious or ugly going on at the company. And instead, the comes out of the halt higher and rips. And then just really chops longs and shorts to death on the sideways action the rest of the day. I do think we want to watch that one tomorrow, though. There's the daily again. There's a lot of shorts in this name, so any kind of decent news or follow-up story to the CEO resigning, that sounds positive, you could get a squeeze in that one. All right, so we're going to watch that one. RBZ, ugly daily chart. If I zoom in, though, had nice volume yesterday and today a quiet inside day. So keep that in mind. I think it's worth watching. No trades in it today, even though we had it on watch. MGI, we had this one on watch. Just kind of flagging here and trying to break out of this flag. Topped out at 372. If it can get above that tomorrow, you have another potential target and maybe a catalyst at 392. You know, if you break out again tomorrow and take out that 392, it might just rip through 4. There's kind of a longer view of the chart. So we're going to watch that one. Workhorse, WKHS, had this nice pop yesterday. Today, just a quiet inside day. We're going to watch that one. Couple more. CATO, big breakout today. Maybe we get a red to green or something like that in that one tomorrow. And then CMCM, pretty handsome chart here with this massive move here. And then 2 days lower on declining volume. Might be ready to turn back up. That's plenty to watch, and we'll add gappers to this as well in the pre-market. And let's close out the week with that great teamwork we have and hopefully get some big trades on Friday. All right, I'm done babbling. We'll see you in chat tomorrow.